Diplomats from US, UK, Australia and China have sent their families back from Pakistan to their respective countries. The Indian government has banned 16 Pakistani YouTube channels for disseminating provocative, communally sensitive and misleading content targeting India and its armed forces. Additional Turkish C-130 military transport aircraft have reportedly arrived at a Pakistani base with an emergency consignment of 155mm shells, as Pakistan Army had sold its critical war reserves of 155mm shells to Ukraine, and the entire money has been received in offshore accounts by high-ranking Pakistan Army officials. As part of 26 Rafale Marine deals signed yesterday, Dassault Aviation will transfer technology for the integration of indigenous weapons like Astra series air-to-air missiles through drum anti-radiation missiles and Brahmos NG on board the Rafale aircraft. Dassault Aviation will set up a facility in India for the production of Rafale's fuselage, as well as MRO facilities for the engine sensors and weapons. Pakistan's ISI are posing as Indian civilians, and are calling army personnel and civilians to extract sensitive information about Indian army troop movements near the borders. Pakistan Air Force has significantly ramped up combat air patrols over Karachi, Islamabad, Rawalpindi and Skardu. An Indian Air Force's IL-76 transport aircraft landed in Philippines to deliver second batch of Brahmos supersonic cruise missile systems to the Philippine military. At a time when Pakistan is deploying its Chinese-origin Sh-15 howitzers near the Indian border, this current situation highlights the urgency for India to address procurement delays. Despite successful trials and positive evaluations, bureaucratic hurdles resulted in delayed order of 307 ATAGS in March this year, while the Dhanush system has long been facing serious production and delivery delays, and the mounted gun system is still undergoing trials, and all these systems are crucial for maintaining a strategic edge in the region. Bharat Dynamics Limited has significantly ramped up the production of the 110 km range Astra MK1 beyond visual range air-to-air missile, aiming to ensure rapid replenishment capability for the Indian Air Force in the event of a conflict. The Indian Air Force and Indian Navy have already inducted the Astra MK1 into operational service, and this accelerated production will ensure that missile stockpiles can be rapidly replenished during a high-tempo conflict scenario. The director of the Gas Turbine Research Establishment has confirmed that while India is all set to sign an agreement with a foreign engine manufacturer for the joint design and co-development of a 120 kN 6th-generation jet engine for the AMCA, India has already initiated work in parallel on advanced propulsion technologies in collaboration with institutes and academia. Rolls-Royce is reportedly the selected partner, but GTRE director's remarks highlights a balanced approach that will leverage international expertise while building a domestic foundation through academia-industry collaboration. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.